How to turn off age restrictions on X, formerly known as Twitter, step by step. Let's get started. First, open the X app or go to the website and log into your account. Once you're inside, tap on your profile icon in the top corner. Now, go to Settings and Privacy. From here, tap on Privacy and Safety. Next, look for the section called Content You See. Inside this section, you'll find an option called Display Media that may contain sensitive content. Turn this option on. This will allow you to view content that may be restricted due to age or sensitivity. After that, go back and tap on Search Settings. Here, make sure the option Hide Sensitive Content is turned off. Once you've done this, your account will now be able to view age-restricted or sensitive content. Quick tip: if you still can't see certain content, make sure your date of birth on your profile is set correctly and shows that you are over 18. And that's it. That's how you can turn off age restrictions on X or Twitter in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.